This one is for the Injective gang. Trading Injective these 2 months was very easy. Look at this. We are breaking the range into the higher range. Then we retest it, fill this support, retest it. Then we are going to the upside. We are bullish. Then we have this news. We are approaching this. I told you that this trend line is very important and we have to pay attention to this. It is going to guide us whether we continue to be bullish or we are reversing back. So basically on the news of funding, we broke this trend line, and I told you if we retest it, it means we reclaimed it and we are bullish. You can long it, whatever you want to do. And we actually held it precisely. Then we are going up. Then I switched to the weekly, turned on the Kijun Sen shift, then as you can see, and this was the weekly resistance here, the strong resistance. 4 weeks we tried to break it, and we had some success with the fake out here, but then we fell down again. And I told you in my tweets that I think that $4.20 is a good price to sell it. I sold a little bit early and lower at 380. It doesn't matter, but the target where to sell was right here, and the only bullish scenario we could have here if we would break it and close above it and retest it like we did here, and then we would, if we failed and retested the support, then we would be able to go to $6 and higher, to $6 and $7 or whatever. But we didn't do that as we expected. Then of course we had this trend line. This on the daily we can see the precise trend line of this move, and I told you the moment we lose it, probably we are going lower if we do not reclaim it. And definitely we went lower, and I told you that sooner or later we will retest this trend line, this important trend line, and we kind of did. Yesterday I told you that it is going to be a great spot buy opportunity here upon the 255, 254. I posted a tweet of this. I told you that we will feel the reaction in any case from this trend line support, and as you can see, the reaction was from that number was significant. 16% move within a day, successful entry here. So basically, if you entered here, definitely you can you positioned right, and you can simply put a stop loss at your entry and feel safe and go chill. So definitely, if the weekly closes with this week, it is not good. We are going to recover it. Then let's look at the further. So what we are expecting it. What are the main directions here? So basically, if the price comes back on to this trend line, we test it, we can go. If we feel the support of it, then we can go reclaim it and go higher. If the price loses it on the 4-hour or daily, better daily time frame, if we close under it, then it is a bailout sign, and we probably are going to retest it and go further to $150, $170. So basically, if we lose this trend line, it is over. We are going much deeper. So locally, what we can do here, we can definitely draw this counter trend line here, and it is going to be very significant to understand what is going on, at least on local time frames. Definitely today we are heading into the weekend, so basically we do not we are going to trade within a range on Bitcoin. So definitely if we open like this tomorrow, definitely we will continue to go up, and at some point I think we will lose, and this daily Kijun will become our resistance again. If we turn on the super trend, probably we will be able to do something like this. If we come to this, it is going to be a great resistance. If we see the rejection, we can short here, and go back to this trend line, and then we will decide what to do next, whether it is going to be our support and we're going to the upside and Bitcoin holds its crucial support and crucial trend line that I mentioned on my Twitter account, or if we lose it, then definitely we are going lower. That's it. It is very easy to see here. So each time the price comes to this trend line, we need to hold it and reverse from it. Then it is bullish and safe for holding your positions. If we dive under it and close, you see we abruptly on the daily we lost this trend line, but the next daily it recovered and we are good at this moment. So that is why I told you look at higher time frames like weekly. It is going to be more insightful at this point. And also we are looking for the monthly candle, how it is going to close.